Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this. This is an adapter, but if you've used these multi-port adapters before, problem is so many of them are just USB, and now all my stuff is like USB-C. Like this here is just USB-C. You can see right there. Everything's USB-C nowadays. So I got this adapter here, and this is a 100-watt one. So this one here should be able to even power my laptop as well as my iPad and charge my watch and my phone and everything. So don't know if it has that many ports. Let's check it out. So in the box, open the box up. It's just got this. This is just the nugget itself. They got it in a plastic kit, and there we go. Oh, it's got a plastic coating on it of some sort. Just a cover. There we go. That is off. That's what it looks like here. So it's a pretty standard size. It's got a bit of a heft to it, I guess. There's got a lot going on there, and it's got the little plugs that pull out there, and you see it's got 3 USB-C ports and a regular USB port. I'm gonna try to plug it in here, and we'll just see if it lights up or anything. I don't know. We don't have the longest of extension cords. It's twisted up as well. So let's see. When we plug it in, a little light goes on, and oh, these say something. Do I have my glasses? I don't know what they say on it. It says USB C1, C2, C3, and USB A1. Okay, so it's just numbered. Sorry, I got the weird glasses because I had eye surgery. But let's just plug in with something here. Plugs in pretty good, stays good, so you can even hang from it. So that's nice, it won't fall out. And I'll just plug it into my little charging adapter here, and look, it says it's gonna charge, so it's already started charging. So it was at 0, so definitely needs a lot of work here. So I will leave this thing charging, and it seems pretty good. Nice little design, very convenient to be taking somewhere. So all you have to do is just take your wires and this thing here, so you don't have to take a whole bunch of separate nuggets, and you'll get fast charging, which is good, because that was a problem before, is I would take my other one that was just USB, and then my watch wouldn't be charged if I stayed out late. It wouldn't be charged the next morning, or my phone wouldn't finish charging. So now I'll be able to get fast charging with this, and also use my laptop, so I don't have to bring a whole laptop adapter, iPad adapter, everything else. So this is good. So definitely like this one here. This is by Aergiatech, whatever. There's some weird brands, but I got this one here from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Pretty cool. You can see there's some words on the back there if you want to read it. Whatever, but I'm going to leave it charging. Thanks, bye.